Right, so this is going to be a short video that is going to demonstrate how to put a couple of videos into Movie Maker. What we're going to do is take one video that has 3 questions and then a second video that has 3 answers. We're then going to stitch them together, so we've got a sequence that goes question, answer, question, answer, question, answer. We're also going to insert a little bit of sound and we're also going to add a title and credits to the video as well. This is quite important for what we do for our assignment because we've got to show that we've actually edited the video that we've recorded. If you want to get into Markband 2 and higher, you've got to show some video editing has taken place. So to start off with, I'm just first going to import the video. So you need to have Movie Maker open, and then on the Home tab here, click on Add Videos and Photos. And there we go, that's my questions. So that is what you should have already downloaded from Moodle. I'm going to open that. Now, I only really need to use one tool for this, which is on the Edit menu, and it's the Split tool. So you can see here we've got our the video, which you can play and stop as appropriate. But the main thing we want to be keeping our eye on here is the timings here. Now, I've already gotten written down what the timings are and what we need, but basically my first question starts at 0 but finishes at around about 2.87 seconds.
Could you tell me your name and introduce yourself, please?
Okay, so I just want to pull, see this black line here. This allows us to slowly drag the time backwards or forwards, and you can see this number here changes to reflect where you are. So I'm going to go to 2 minutes 87. And that's where my first question ends. Okay, so I'm going to split the timeline at that point there. Okay, you can see that has split. We've got 2 separate parts to the video. Now another second question starts at 5.50. So I'm going to skip to 5.50, and that's when the next question starts.
Okay, now could you tell me a little bit about...
Yep, perfect. So I'm going to go back there, 5.50. And I'm going to split it again. Okay, so I've got question, bit of a pause, question. As long as nothing's moved. Yeah, that looks okay. Okay, my next question finishes at 9.5. So I'm going to jump forward to 9.5, which is there. I'm going to split it again. Okay, and then finally the next question starts at 11.77.
And finally, can you tell...
So I'm going to pull it back to 11.77. I'm going to split it again. And it ends, that question ends at 15.3. So there we go, split it again. So now I've got my video split into a series of questions and bits that I no longer need. So that bit there, the second part where I'm turning away, I want to delete. So I'm going to select it and press the delete key. So now I should have question 1 followed by question 2.
Could you tell me your name and introduce yourself, please? Okay, now could you tell me a little bit about your project and who your client is?
Perfect. So the next bit, I just want to delete that third bit. That should leave the last question and then a tiny bit on the end which I want to delete as well. So now 1, 2, 3 bits. So that's question 1, question 2, question 3. So that's the first video ready. So the next step is to import the second video and do exactly the same to that.